Alright guys, it's me Trim, and here is a weird type of submission that is pretty known in WWE, and CM Punk used to do it when he was there, but let's take a look at the move.
Superplex floats into the cover with it. Anaconda Vise, Fandango taps out. What move by Punk?
Alright. So he basically can get it from transition to side control, then from side control go sideways. In UFC 3 game, it's the position of side saddle. I don't know the official term for it, but it is basically a neck crank instead of an arm triangle. So so there's a lot of pro wrestling fans that wishes CM Punk to win by the Anaconda Vise. It is kinda silly, I know that, but yeah. It can be a painful move. That's the thing that nobody really realize. So yeah. Bye guys. I am going to watch the I think it's ceremonial weigh-ins or whatever it's called. I watched the official weigh-ins and CM Punk made weight 169 out of 170, and that is pretty good. I can't wait for tomorrow when he gonna fight. But yeah, the video is just for example, those jiu-jitsu guys who have knowledge on submissions and such, and this was just up the top of my head, just hey, look at this, what do you think of this? So in pro wrestling it is called an Anaconda Vise, and yeah, it for them I think it's known as a neck crank. So comment down below if it's possible to use this as a submission move in MMA, for example. Bye guys.